Avocado toast is all the rage, and today I'm going to show you 2 ways to make an avocado toast. The first is a healthy version that you can eat every day and feel good about because it's loaded with protein, vitamins, and minerals. The second is a fancier serve on the weekends to your guests avocado toast. Welcome to Kat's Vegan Kitchen. Let's get started. Bread has gotten a bad rap in our culture, but that's because people don't know how to choose a healthy bread. If you want to choose a healthy bread, you want the first couple ingredients to be whole grains, something like whole wheat flour, whole oat flour, or whole barley. You want to make sure there's very low sugar, low sodium, high protein, and high fiber. I love Ezekiel bread. If you're not used to eating healthy bread, it may not taste the same as the salty, sugary bread you're used to, but with all these toppings, it's going to be super delicious, and eating it after about a week, you won't even notice the difference. We're going to start by mashing up our avocado. Avocados are a little high in fat, but they're high in the healthy kinds of fats. For this recipe, we're going to use about half an avocado, which is only 2 ounces. The good news is avocado has all the healthy fats, the monounsaturated fats, and they also are loaded with vitamin C and A, fiber, and they even will protect your eyes from aging. Next, we're just gonna put our avocado toast together with all kinds of healthy ingredients. We're gonna start with a thin layer of avocado. Next, I'm gonna put a thin layer of tomatoes. I like grape tomatoes because they're really sweet. Tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, which can help with depression. They also have folate, vitamin C. They can help against heart disease, cancer. Tomatoes are little nutrient bombs. Next, we're gonna add my favorite Trader Joe's chili lime seasoning. If you don't have a Trader Joe's near you, you can use Tajin, which you can find in most Latin markets. If you don't have either, you just squeeze a little bit of lime and put a little bit of chili powder on it, and then add a little salt. I'm gonna add a little dash of nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast adds B12 and protein to this toast. And I'm gonna add in a dash of pepitas or pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are great because they add magnesium, iron, and zinc, which help with strong bones, and which sometimes those are missing in a vegan diet. They also add just a little bit of protein. Finally, because we're going for the healthy version, I'm gonna top with a dash of microgreens because you can never have enough greens in your diet. These have calcium and iron. That's version 1, our healthy avocado toast. You can eat this every day and it'll keep you satiated till lunchtime. It is loaded with vitamins and nutrients, and believe it or not, it has about 15 to 20 grams of protein in just this simple breakfast. Now let's check out our fancy on the weekend avocado toast. This one I'm gonna honor my Lebanese heritage and use Middle Eastern and Arabic flavors. For this one, I wanna use a really tasty kind of bread. It doesn't mean it has to be not healthy. I would look for a bread that has a few simple ingredients. You can go to your farmer's market or your local bakery. I'm using ciabatta. I'm gonna start by squeezing the juice of half a lemon onto my 1 mashed avocado. If you're using lemon juice, you can just use about 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon. I'm gonna start by laying a thin layer of avocado on my beautiful, tasty, delicious bread. This bread has been toasted in the oven just till it's nice and crispy. I'm gonna take some diced cherry tomatoes, and I'm going to add a little dash of a really nice quality olive oil and a little dash of salt to those tomatoes. Then I'm gonna sprinkle those right onto my avocado toast. Maybe if you don't like tomatoes, you could use a roasted red pepper or just a cut up red pepper. My next ingredient is a delicious vegan feta cheese. Trader Joe's makes a really nice vegan feta, so does Violife. Zaatar is a Lebanese spice blend that I've been eating my whole life that has gained recent popularity, I think because of some viral TikTok video. You can find zaatar at most Arabic markets, all Arabic markets, and many stores carry it now too. I am gonna sprinkle a little bit of parsley, which is gonna make it look so beautiful and add a little brightness. Remember, we eat with our eyes before we eat with our mouths. Look how pretty that is. And finally, because this is the decadent version, I'm probably gonna drizzle just a teeny bit of olive oil over my whole toast. There you have it, your 2 versions of avocado toast. You have your healthy version and your fancier weekend version. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, remember to hit that thumbs up button so you never miss a recipe. I'll see you next time on Kat's Vegan Kitchen. Enjoy.